Dear students, let's solve today exercise 1b. So we have the first question from exercise 1b. I am going to read for you. Population of a city was 3,54,976 in the year 2014. In the year 2015, it increased by 68,438. What was the population of the city at the end of the year 2015? I am going to write only the solutions. So you can copy the solutions in your notebook. So solution. Population in equals to how much? It was 3,54,976. Okay. So next you need to write population increased. Increased in which year? 2015, mention here. Equals to 68,438. Therefore, what you need to find? You need to find population at the end of the year 2015. Remember, you need to find your population at the end of the year 2015 equals to how much? So, everybody need to draw a line and make a solution column here. Okay, where you put the numbers and solve them. And final answer you will enter in the solution. Therefore, okay. So let us solve. Which method you should apply to find the population in 2014 which increased in 2015. So what you need to do? Which method you should apply here? You should apply the addition method. So let us write the numbers in the solution box and let us solve it. Okay? Write the numbers correctly and add it. Fine. I have solved here. You can see the answer I have got is 4,23,414. This is the addition method. I hope so you know to add the numbers. Okay, now what you need to do? You need to enter here in the therefore. Therefore, population at the end of the year 2015 is 4,23,414. Next, we have the second question. A equals to 7,43,000 and B equals to 8,100. Which is greater you should find. Whether the A or B is greater. So, and by how much you should find. So, let us write A equals to 7,43,000 and B equals to 8,100. So, first let us find which is greater. So, you know a method. Previously, I taught you of comparisons. Then when you compare the leftmost place of a number, you will understand that the number which is greater is the largest number. Now here 7 and 8. When you compare 7 and 8, 8 is greater than 7. So you will understand that 8,100,000 is the largest number. So we can say B is greater than A. So we can write here 8,100,000 is greater than 7,43,000. Now, therefore, by how much? B is greater than A by dash. By how much, children? So let us solve in the solution box. That is, write 8,100,000. Okay, minus 7,43,000. Why we are subtracting? So that we will understand 8 lakh and 7,43,000. 8,100,000 with 7,43,000. So how much? By how much it is greater? Okay, the answer what we have obtained, we can understand that number by how much it is greater. So let us solve this. I have applied here the subtraction method and the answer what I got is 57,100. I think you know to subtract. If you know to subtract, it will be very easy for you. Okay, so you can see I have carried 1 and 7, 10 minus 3, 7, so on. Fine. So let us write here 57,100. D is greater than A by this much number. So let us proceed for the third question. A notebook has 56 pages. How many pages will 5,326 such notebooks have? So let us write the solution for this. One notebook. Okay, write solution. Okay, S solution. Okay, one notebook equals to how much pages? One notebook has 56 pages. Okay, so now we need to find, therefore 5,326 such books equals to how much? So what? How to find the answer? Which method to apply here? Children, we need to apply the multiplication method. So let us multiply 5,326 books with per page, that is 56 page. 56 per page, okay? One book will have 56 pages. So let us multiply that. Multiplied by 56. Through multiplication of 5,326 with 56. You know the multiplication method. Okay. So then we have 2,98,256 as our answer. So let us write here. And we will understand now 5,326 books will have this many pages. Okay. So next sum, number 4. They are already solved in your book. So this will be your homework. See and copy down in your notebook. Next we have number 5. Addition sums. So already you know this. So that is also your homework. Fine. Let's move for the 6th one. A cricket player has so far scored 7,849 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many? Okay. How many more runs does he need? Fine. Let us write the solution for this. So let us write scored runs. Let us see what to do. How to solve it. Fine. Next what we need to write. We know the scored runs. That is 7,849. Then he wishes to complete. As I mentioned in the problem, he wishes to complete how much? It is 10,000. Yes? Fine. Therefore, what you should find? Runs he need. Okay. Runs he need dash. So what we need to do this sum, children? This is subtraction. So when we minus the completed runs, he wishes completed runs 10,000 and he scored runs 7,849. So runs he need, that is how much runs he needed to win. So that what you need to enter here. And remember, don't write the smaller digit above and below digit below, greater digit below and start subtracting, because it's a wrong method. You will not get the answer. So write 10,000 minus 7,849. Okay, we are finding a runs in need. Okay, now let us solve subtraction. So we have the answer 2,151. We have the 7th question, which is same to 6th. As it is 6th we have solved, you can solve the 7th one. Okay, you refer 6th one and you can solve. So it is your homework.